Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a game changer for you. We're diving deep into the world of Google Ads, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your online marketing to a whole new level. Why Google Ads? So, first things first, why Google Ads? Well, the answer is simple: it's one of the most powerful tools to grow your business online. Show Google Ads interface. Google Ads gives you access to a massive audience, billions of searches every day. And the best part, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's cost-effective and highly targeted. The power of keywords. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce of Google Ads: keywords. Show keyword research tools. You need to choose the right keywords that are relevant to your business. Using keyword research tools, you can find the ones that your potential customers are searching for. Crafting compelling ads. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to create some killer ads. Show examples of compelling ads. Your ads should be attention-grabbing, clear, and relevant. Tell your audience why they should click and what's in it for them. Targeting your audience. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of targeting. Show audience targeting options. Google Ads offers various targeting options. You can target by location, age, interests, and even the device they're using. This means your ads reach the right people at the right time. Tracking and optimization. Host. But the magic doesn't stop there. You need to constantly track and optimize your campaigns. Show analytics dashboard. Google Ads provides in-depth analytics. You can see what's working and what's not. Make adjustments to improve your WA.